Hey guys, this is Max with Max Tries, and in this video I'm going to give a quick overview of a second AI agent I built to do the legwork of finding jobs that might be a good fit for me to apply to. Now let me preface this, I am not technical. I do not have an engineering background, but with the AI tools available today, I was able to build a tool, an AI agent that sends me an email every single morning with a list of personalized recommended jobs for me to apply to. This has been a game changer in my job application process, as it does a lot of the legwork in just finding opportunities that are a good fit for me based on location, salary range, company size, people I may know, and it was all done through Claude Code. So how it works is really kind of simple. I'm just using 2 API connections. I've using Rapid API. They have a JSearch, job search API that is pulling from Indeed, LinkedIn, and other boards online for open positions. So I'm using this API to get the jobs. Apollo is another service with an API that allows you to get organization enrichment. So once I've pulled the jobs that meet certain criteria, Apollo API is then enriching that data, so the company, and getting additional information, things like revenue, employee count, funding round, people that work there. So the idea is that I can get even better matches based on this additional data. And then finally, I'm sending myself an email using SendGrid, which is a service where you can send automated emails. One of the things that I was most excited in building this agent, unlike my last video when I built it in N8N, which is really visual blocks for building an agent, I did this entirely through the command line terminal using Claude Code. And it's really amazing, the power and capabilities of it. And I'll just give a quick demo on how to get up and running for your own project. So create a directory for this specific project and then initializing Claude Code. So here you can see this is Claude Code getting initialized within the project, and has a couple of recommendations, but just from this command line I was able to build this entire system in flow. One of the coolest things is if you hit Shift Tab twice, you can see down here that says planning mode on. So this is kind of like you're talking to Claude in your desktop browser, but instead you're in the command line and you're able to plan out the project, give it guidance as to what you're building, what you need to accomplish, and then it makes a recommended list of things to improve, things to do, things to build. And then once you sign off on that, essentially hit enter and it starts writing the code, which is really fascinating and exciting for someone like me who's not technical, who does not have development experience. I'm now able to create code that works and has a great output. Just showing the code base really quickly. Here's my Claude MD file. So the structure as well as the rules and guidelines I've given Claude, but it's just so cool that it wrote all the code for this project. Services, so if I look at email.js, you can see it's querying the API to get those lists of jobs. So not going to go in depth in this video as to actually building the agent, but want to show how easy it is to use Claude Code in your terminal and actually build working software products that can benefit your lifestyle. If you have any questions, want to learn more, please feel free to reach out in the comments and I'd be happy to chat. Thanks.